Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that deserve your hard-earned money. In today's video, we are going to break down the top 3 mini dehumidifiers available on the market. Our team has reviewed many products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our ranking based on many factors such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation. So watch this video till the end. At number 3. ProBreeze Electric Dehumidifier Portable Mini Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier can effectively cover up to 2,200 cubic feet, and it removes up to 9 ounces of water. Stay in areas up to 215 square feet or 2,200 cubic feet. It is lightweight, compact and portable, and it has a 16-ounce water tank capacity. It operates very quietly in bedrooms, bathrooms and offices, at an output of only 23 W per hour. It is perfect for high humidity in your home, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, RV, trailer, garage, closet and cabinet. It will automatically shut off when the tank is full, and the LED light will turn on, indicating the water tank needs draining. At number 2. Eva-Dry Wireless Mini Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier is spill, mess-free, non-toxic, child and pet safe. It can work for areas up to 333 cubic feet, and it makes your rooms dry and odor-free. Its portable small design lets you hang or conveniently place the dehumidifier anywhere to fight humidity. It can last up to 4 weeks before recharge, and it is 100% cordless humidifier. It is super durable and reliable and comes up with a 5-year warranty. At number 1. URPOWER Second Version Essential Oil Diffuser Aroma Essential Oil Mini Humidifier. It creates an ideal way to add moist, comfortable air to small bedrooms, hotel rooms, tabletops and even workplace cubicles. It features 7 color-changing lamps for your choice, night light, programmable on-off cycles. It shuts off as the water runs out, and it will be auto-shut down to protect the device to protect the dehumidifier. It can be used with ultrasonic aroma essential oil because it is safe and does not harm the essential oil of any ingredients. It is an upgraded version and creates more mist than others. That's all. You can see the latest prices and find out more information about the products we mentioned in this video using the links below in the description. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, have a nice day.